Paddy's embarrassed as well. I'm the lead. Paddy throws one in. Because you need this.
Come on!
Just focus in on the massive nut. That's it. He needs it. No pressure, no pressure.
Look at that cup that he's lying on. I think this is too laughter. Job done.
This is the fucking music.
Job done.
That's the outro, don't you? Oh, fish!
This is for the crowd. Fish, this is for you.
Should be the balls this time.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Fucking heck!
Could you believe it?